everyone. So I am your C. Pancho, and today we will be talking about the history of measurements. So did you know that the word measure comes from the Latin word mensura and from the Greek word metron? The ancient unit of measure was chosen for convenience rather than accuracy. Historical records indicates that the unit of measure used by the ancients was from the parts of the body like the hand, the feet, and the arms. So I have here some examples. The first is the yard. So the yard is the distance from the end of the nose to the tip of the middle finger of the outstretched hand. So the yard was standardized by King Henry I of England during the 1200 AD. So according to him, that the yard is the distance from the end of the nose, from the tip of the nose, and to the tip of the middle finger of the outstretched hand. So from the tip of the nose and to the measure of the middle finger of the outstretched hand, that's 1 yard. Next is the handspan. So the handspan is the distance from the thumb of outstretched hand to the small finger. So the handspan. So the distance from the thumb here and from the tip of the small finger. So you're going to measure like that, and that's 1 handspan. So next is the palm. So the distance across the base of the 4 fingers that form the palm. So this is your palm, and the base of the 4 fingers is 1. So that is 1 palm. Next is the counting rod. So the counting rod is typically a small bar measured 2 to 14 centimeters long that was used by the Chinese for calculation. Next is the sundial. So the sundial is an instrument used by the early Egyptians to measure time of day. So this is a sundial. It's what you can see. This is a sundial. So let's talk about the historical development of measurements. So during the 1200 AD, King Henry I of England standardized the yard. So he standardized the yard as the distance from the tip of his nose to the tip of his middle finger of his outstretched hand. Next is the 14th century. During the 14th century, King Edward II standardized the inch. So King Edward II standardized the inch as the distance of the 3 grains of barley laid from end to end. Next is during the 16th century. So King Henry VII defined pound as the weight of the 7,000 grains of barley. Next is 1736 to 1830. So the French Academy of Sciences recommended the metric system. Next is 1793. So the first country to adopt the metric system is France. Next is 1983. President Ferdinand Marcos issued Presidential Decree 187. So Presidential Decree 187 prescribing the use of only the metric system as a standard unit of measure here in the Philippines. So the unit is called standard and has been defined so that society uses the same one.
So at the present, we have 2 standardized unit of measure, the customary or the English system and the metric system. So I will show you first the metric system. So the property are the length, weight and mass, capacity, area, volume, temperature, and time. So the unit for length for the metric system is meter, for the weight and mass, kilogram, for the capacity is liter, area, square meter, volume, cubic, temperature, degrees Celsius, and for the time, second. And next is the basic conversion for the metric system. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter, 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter, 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter, 1 decimeter is equal to 0.1 meter, centimeter is 0.01 meter, and 1 millimeter is equal to 0.001 meter. Next is the customary or the English system. So the properties of the English systems are length, weight, capacity, area, volume, and temperature. So the unit for length are inch, foot, yard, and for the weight, pound, ton, capacity, quart, gallon, area, square inch, square feet, and square yard, and for the volume is cubic inch, cubic yard, and for the temperature, degree Fahrenheit.
So let me end my discussion of So let me end my discussion from the statement used by Ralph Maldo on the movie ton 1 meter at the Mars. Measurement rules our lives. It has light up our world and helped us impose order and logic in our restless universe. So for more information, just don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.